guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about something totally different. We're going way off topic than what I usually talk about. And if you've clicked on this video, then you're here to learn about YouTube and monetizing your channel. So if this is something that you're wanting to learn a little bit more about, or you want to know my process and how I got there, how long it took and all of that, then this is the video for you. So the YouTube monetization requirements state that you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours in a rolling 12-month period. I mean, that seems like a lot of 4,000 hours. That equals up to 240,000 minutes. I didn't think I would ever get there. I mean, I really didn't. But I did. And you can too, I promise. So I have been on YouTube. I started my channel like 6 years ago. And it was just something, I was bored and I didn't have a good camera. I didn't have the studio space that I have now. I just did it. I didn't post regularly. I posted like the odd video here and there. It wasn't until middle of 2018 where I really was like, okay, I'm gonna sit down, I'm going to get serious about this, and I'm gonna grow this YouTube channel. And that's what I did. I started creating content on a scheduled basis. So I was uploading regularly. I did upgrade my camera a little bit, but it still wasn't the greatest. I mean, I was slowly gaining subscribers and slowly gaining watch time, but I felt like I would never ever get there. And it became frustrating. And then this past Christmas, actually, my husband bought me a brand new camera, the Canon Rebel SL2. And my goodness, ever since that I got this camera, my video quality has improved by 1,000%, and I noticed a huge difference. People are actually watching my videos now and subscribing. So I think that quality has a huge role to play. Don't just film something all random and whip it up there with no thought put into it. You really want to make something that people are going to want to keep watching. Alright, so as I noticed my watch time getting closer and closer to this 4,000 hour mark, I was on every day, logging in, checking, and then one day I logged on and I seen this. Channel monetization. Step 1, done. Step 2, done. Step 3, get reviewed, in progress. It says YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. We'll email you a decision usually within a month. This step will begin automatically after you complete the first 2 steps. So yay! We got there. I'm being reviewed. I seen this on my YouTube studio on January 17th at about 7:20 in the morning. I was so excited. I really was. I felt like I'd actually gotten somewhere, finally, after all of the work I've put into it. So I'm here, I'm super excited. I can't wait for this process to be over, and I'm expecting it to take, a month, maybe longer. A lot of videos I've seen, people are waiting like 7 months before it comes out of the review stage. So I really didn't think anything of it. I didn't get overly excited. But the very next day, on January 18th at, what time was it here? 4:35 p.m., I get this email. Congratulations, your YouTube channel, Min's Beauty, has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. To get you started, check the YouTube Creator Hub so you can stay connected to the YouTube team and other creators like you. Oh my goodness, it was overnight, literally overnight. So I got that email, I was so excited. I logged on to my creator studio. Sorry, I'm just looking at my phone, bringing up all these pictures that I took to have and reference to. So I logged on and this came up right away. It says monetization, account status enabled, welcome YouTube partner, congratulations, you're ready to start earning money from your videos. Talks about the power of data, exclusive creator perks, dedicated support system. Super, super excited. So I seen that and I kind of read through all their different links and, you know, searched around the site a little bit. And then I came to this page here where it tells you to set your monetization preferences. So it says, do you want to monetize existing videos? Here I clicked monetize all videos now. And then you can go through and you can pick your ad settings. So you can pick overlay ads, sponsored ads, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads. I just clicked every single one of them because, well, why not? So after I did that, I went into my videos and this is what it looks like. Look at all those little green dollar bill signs. I'm so excited. So how long did it take me? Well, if you go back to the very beginning, it took me 6 years to get here. But if you go from the point where I actually said to myself, this is it, I'm gonna do it, and actually had a schedule and got on it and got the proper equipment and the proper area and just worked my butt off. If you go from that time, then it took me 1.5 years to get monetized. So really, I don't know, I think it's gonna be different for everyone. I was lucky that my review process went really quick. I think what helped me with that is I applied to be in the program, the YouTube Partner Program, before I met those thresholds. And I also created and linked my Google AdSense account. So I didn't have to wait and do that after I got monetized. Google AdSense, you have to have linked up. That's what you're gonna get your money from. So don't forget to do that. And if you're waiting to be monetized, go do those steps right now. Go start your application for the YouTube Partner Program and create your AdSense account, because I swear if I didn't do those things beforehand, there's no way I would have been out of that review stage overnight like I was. So yeah, that was my whole process. I don't know what else to really tell you guys until I am monetized for a little bit more. Once I get my first paycheck from YouTube, I will make another video and I'll explain the process on that, how I got paid, things I had to do to set up to get paid, how much I made, and all that kind of thing. So if that's something you want to see, don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified of upcoming videos. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I already said if you want to be notified, you got to hit the bell. But also leave me comments down below. How close are you to becoming monetized? Is it a goal of yours for this year? And I think that's about it, guys. So I'm going to stop rambling now. I want to thank you all for all the support. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't have gotten here. I wouldn't have. Without you guys watching, my channel would not be anything. So I want to give you all my thanks. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.